The Daily Dig Excavator. The Daily Dig Excavator. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Daily Dig, Diggerland's educational series on construction equipment. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them during the video. Let us know who's watching and where you're watching from, and we'll be sure to do our best to get you guys a shout out. With us, as always, we have Ben operating our excavator. Hi Ben, look at him, he's waving with that big excavator bucket. Now today was Ben's pick. I said, Ben, what machine do you want to operate? He said the excavator. Now for our loyal viewers, you'll know we saw the excavator once before in the episode on April 1st, I believe it was, where Ben drove the excavator around. I'm letting Ben choose today because Friday will be the season finale of the Daily Dig. So season 1 will be coming to an end, and we thank everyone for tuning in and joining us during the Daily Dig series. We really appreciate all of our loyal viewers out there, especially all of you who have tuned in every single time and have caught every single episode. But that doesn't mean you don't have to keep watching our Facebook page. We'll still be doing lots of fun contests, we're having fun announcements, and lots of stuff popping up here and there. We might do some lives here and there as well. And we will obviously have a season 2. We'll come back for the next season of Daily Dig. But our last episode of season 1 will be this Friday, as we actually will be doing our Ride Friday at the new Watermain Water Park. We're going to take you all for an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the Watermain Water Park to see it. So let's watch Ben dig for a little bit. Looks like Ben's digging a hole. Let's go look. Okay, looks like we have Ryan from East Meadow watching. Hey Ryan, thanks for tuning in today. Okay, looks like we have Ryan from East Meadow watching. Hey Ryan, thanks for tuning in today. Also looks like we have Nicholas Elber watching. And Patrick from Ohio, who can't wait to visit. Well Patrick, we can't wait to have you visit. Ben continues to dig this hole and drive this excavator around. Now, how does an excavator work? Well, Ben's got his joysticks, and he is physically driving the excavator using hydraulics. He's pushing his motors, and he is using his joysticks to drive the excavator to a metal pipe over here. He's going to then use his levers and controls to try to pick up that metal pipe and put it in this hole. So he's dug a hole. Now, this is really tough and it's a really hard skill to do. Ben was actually telling me before we started he's very nervous about doing this. He can do it by himself, but with the whole Facebook audience watching, he's nervous he won't be able to get it on the first or second try. So let's all give Ben some encouragement. He's going to pick up this pipe and try to stand it straight up in this hole. Then after he gets the pipe in the hole, if he can get the pipe in the hole, he's going to try to stack a tire on top of it. Let's watch. Right, so Gina says, wait to visit. Well, Gina, we can't wait to have your son visit here. And she's watching all the way from West Springfield, Massachusetts. Thanks for tuning in today, Gina. Eric Farris says, that bad boy needs to be greased. Eric, I would agree with you. The tracks, they're a little squeaky today. One of the things about machinery is we have very hot temperatures here at Diggerland today. It's 92 degrees right now, and the viscosity of the grease is behaving a little bit differently. Let's watch as Ben tries to get this pipe into the hole right here. All right, so he's put the pipe down. Let's see if he can get it stood up inside the hole. Gina wants to know, what age can the kids drive? Well, at 36 inches, kids can start riding in parents' laps and assisting the parents with driving. And at 42, 48 inches, they can drive alone. Let's see as Ben tries to stand this pipe up. Gina, thank you for the question. Oh, and he just missed on the first try, but that's okay. He'll back up. Rose giving the encouragement to Ben, saying, you can do it. You're a great operator. Thanks, Rose. Thanks for the encouragement. Good afternoon, James Hoffman. Thanks for tuning in. Greg's watching from Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. Thanks for tuning in, Greg. So it looks like Ben's going to be adding a little bit more dirt to stabilize this pipe to get it nice and stood up. Alex wants to know how long the boom is. That boom's about 25 feet long, and that's just the boom, not the dipper. Great question. James can't wait to come back from Brooklyn, New York. Well, James, we can't wait to have you back. And let's watch as Ben tries to stand up this pipe. Now, I know he's feeling a lot of pressure, but we'll all give him his encouragement he needs. Not an easy thing to do. Normally when we trench, we lay pipes straight down. We don't stand them straight up. But this is kind of a fun skill activity that Ben's going to try for all of us. Wanda says her son would love this. He's 13. Well, thanks for tuning in, Wanda. He's got the pipe at like a 45-degree angle. Let's see. I know Ben can do this. Ben, you got it. All right, we got the thumbs up from Ben. And a shout out to Logan. He's 2 years old and loves construction. Logan, we love that you love construction, and we love that you're watching. Thanks for tuning in. All right, so Ben is filling in some of the dirt right now. Oliver, age 4, would like to see the engine. Oliver, you know what? That's a great suggestion. We'll take a look as soon as Ben's done over here. And Max from Rochester, New York is tuning in. Max. And thanks for always watching. Same deal to you, Oliver, as well. So we watch as Ben is putting this dirt down to stabilize. That big bucket scooping up all that dirt. It's exactly what Ben needs to stand this pipe up. Looks like he's going to be able to do it. He's got to scoop just a little bit more dirt in there to stabilize it. Now he's compacting the dirt to make it nice and solid so we can try to get this tire on the pipe. Hi, Emmett in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, who loves diggers. Thanks for tuning in today. We appreciate you watching. Make it nice and solid so we can try to get this tire on the pipe. All right, Ben, you ready to try the tire? And he gave me the thumbs up. He's going to try and put a tire right on top of this pipe here. All right, Ben, you ready to try the tire? Again, thank you to all our viewers for letting us know who you are, who's watching, and where you're watching from. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer these questions during the shoot. Now, Ben's going to get the tire to put on his pipe here. And just once again, if you missed at the very beginning, Friday is going to be our Season 1 finale of the Daily Dig. So be sure to tune in as we take a behind-the-scenes tour of the Watermain Water Park, the brand new water park here at Diggerland. You're going to be able to see everything. It's almost completely done and ready for you. We just need you guys to tune in Friday for our Season 1 finale where we look at the Watermain Water Park. So it looks like Ben's already picked up that tire. Let's see how he can do getting it on the pipe. So Oliver wants to know when a real excavator would put a pipe in like this. Well, there's a lot of reasons why we need to put a pipe in. Oh, he just missed. But I'm sure Ben's not going to give up that easily. A lot of times we would not be putting a pipe up straight up and down like this with an excavator. This is just kind of a fun skills event for Ben. Normally we would lay a pipe in the ground laying down so water or gas or sewage could flow through it. But there are instances where we'd want to put pipes going straight up and down, especially if we need to vent some gas or vent water as part of the overall system. So that tire's chewed up pretty good, so Ben's having a little bit of a tough time, but I'm sure he'll be able to get it. Hi. Marvin, who's watching Pennsylvania. Hey, Marvin, thanks for tuning in. Randy, tuning in from Philly. Hey, Randy, thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate all the support and tuning in for all of our episodes. Randy, let's see if Ben can get this tire on the pipe. It looks like he's pretty close. And he did it. He threaded the tire onto the pipe. Excellent. Excellent. A shout out to Kane and Caden. They love diggers. Well, Kane and Caden, thanks for tuning in. And we got the biggest digger today, the Excavator. Thanks for tuning in. And we just saw Ben. He was able to first dig a hole, then put a pipe in the ground, and then thread a tire onto the pipe. So if you guys hang with me for 1 second, I'm going to have Ben stop his vehicle real quick. Hey Ben, can you just stop for 1 moment and throttle down? All right, so we had a request from Oliver. Oliver wanted to see the engine. So Oliver, you tune in all the time. You've seen almost every episode, and we appreciate all the shouts and comments. So we're going to show you the engine. And then when we're done looking at the engine, I have a 55-gallon plastic drum over there. Ben's going to smash it up and smash it nice and flat. So why don't you guys come with me? We'll take a look at the engine. Ben, we're going to be entering your vehicle to take a look at the engine. All right, guys, so this is how we get to the engine compartment. I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to take the camera up with me so I could show you guys. Just give me one moment. I just close up the engine compartment real quick.